In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin Gemini in Chrome. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. Have you noticed that little Ask Gemini icon in your Chrome toolbar and thought to yourself, how do I get rid of this? Well, you're in the right place. We'll go through several easy methods to unpin Gemini from your Chrome browser. Whether you're looking for a cleaner interface or just simply prefer not to see that icon, I'm here to help. First off, let's talk about the quickest way to unpin Gemini. The fastest method is to right-click directly on the Ask Gemini icon found in your toolbar. This icon is usually located at the top of the browser window. When you right-click it, a context menu will pop up, and here you'll see the option that says Unpin. Simply click Unpin, and just like that, the shortcut will disappear from your toolbar instantly. It's a quick and effective way to tidy up your browser without diving deep into the settings. Now, if you want to take it a step further and prevent Gemini from appearing at all in your Chrome experience, let's navigate through the browser settings. To do this, open Chrome and look for the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of your window. Go ahead and click on those dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, scroll down until you see a section called AI Innovations. Here, you'll find something about Gemini in Chrome. Click on it. You should see an option that reads Show Gemini at the top of the browser. To unpin Gemini completely, you'll want to toggle that option off. By doing this, you're not just hiding the icon. You're essentially telling Chrome that you don't want to see Gemini at all. This method gives you more control over your browsing experience, allowing you to keep your interface just the way you like it. But we're not done yet. Let's look into another setting related to Gemini that might also impact your experience. Navigate back to the Settings menu and look for the System section. Click on that, and here you will find an option for On-Device AI. This feature can be useful, but if you want to completely disable any Gemini functionalities, go ahead and turn off On-Device AI. Disabling this will ensure that Gemini doesn't activate even in the background while you're using your browser, ensuring a cleaner working environment. And there you have it. By using those simple steps, you should now have successfully unpinned and disabled Gemini from appearing in Chrome. To recap, we first right-clicked the icon to unpin it, then we navigated through the settings to hide it completely, and finally, we disabled On-Device AI to ensure it doesn't come back. It's a great way to customize your browsing experience according to your preferences. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Whether you're looking to improve your productivity or just would like to understand your Chrome browser better, I'll be here to guide you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly uncluttered Chrome experience.